First question that we will give some examples. We have already given some examples. So let's discuss how to solve this particular problem. A housewife wishes to mix together two kinds of food X and Y in such a way that the mixture contains at least 10 units of vitamin A and 12 units of vitamin B and 8 units of vitamin C. So X and Y will be produced by mixing A, B and C. X and Y will be produced mixing A, B and C. So, and the quantities in X, the vitamin A is amount of vitamin A is 1, and in Y the amount of vitamin B is 2. Sorry, vitamin A is 2, and similarly for vitamin B and vitamin C is 2, 2 and 3, 1, and 1 kg of each of the food are given below. Acha, 1 kg of food X costs rupees 6. Okay, cost of 1 kg of food X is rupees 6, and cost of 1 kg of food Y is rupees 10. So find the minimum cost of the mixture which will produce the diet. Yes, and so he has to prepare. She has to prepare a diet which will contain at least 10 units of vitamin A, 12 units of vitamin B, and 8 units of vitamin C. So that is the question. So how to solve this question? Uh, so to solve this question, and if X 1 kg of food X cost, so she will be buying X and Y. So our decision variable will be writing this as, let she will buy X kg of food X and Y kg of food Y. So these two are my decision variables, X kg of food X and Y kg of food Y. So as per unit of X, capital X costs rupees 6 and Y costs rupees 10. Hence our total cost will be 6x plus 10y. So she has to buy in such a way, she will obviously will try to minimize the cost. As we have said, always we will try to minimize the cost. So we can write TC equals to 6x plus 10y, and we have to minimize this is my objective function. And but she has to buy in such a way the requirement of vitamin A, B, C must be fulfilled. So in X kg of food X, the amount of vitamin A is 1 unit per kg. So X kg, X units. So that means for vitamin A, the condition becomes X plus 2y must be greater than equals to 10, because at least 10 units of vitamin A is required to buy for her. So that means 1 unit, X units of food X will contain X units of vitamin A, and Y units of food Y will contain 2Y units of vitamin B. So total vitamin A obtained is X plus 2Y. So that's how we write X plus 2Y is greater than equals to 10. Similarly for vitamin B, the inequation will be, constant will be 2x plus 2y must be greater than equals to 12 units of vitamin B, because that is the minimum requirement, at least 12 units. And for vitamin C, the condition will be 3x plus y, and that must be greater than equals to, that must be greater than equals to 8. And obviously, as I have said, there is something called non-negativity restriction. So x and y must be greater than equals to 0. So these three are my the constraints. So this is the objective function. These three are the constraints, and we have the non-negativity. We have the non-negativity restriction. So we have formulated. So next we will try to solve. Next we'll So to solve this problem, we will draw the graph x-axis and y-axis, and we have to put the scale accordingly. Say this is in x-axis, this is 5, this is 10, and this is say 3, this is 6, like that. So was first equation was x plus first equation was x plus 2y is greater than equals to x plus 2y is greater than equals to 10. So if you plot that, this will be uh, x by 10 plus y by 5 equals to 1. So that means this is y 5 and this is 10. So these 2 points are joined, and if you put the I'm doing it a little fast because we have already done that. If you put 0 0 and the condition was x plus 2y is greater than equals to 10, so if you put 0 0, that is x equals to 0, y equals to 0, that part will not satisfy. So it has to be away from the origin. So this is the satisfied part, because 0 0 left hand side becomes 0 0 greater than x equals to 10 is not true. So 0 0 side will not be right, so the other part will be right. And the second question was 2x plus 2y was greater than equals to 12, so that similarly it gives 6 comma 6. So this is 6 and this is 6. So this will also be like this. I think let's draw it again. Mm, and this will be away from origin. And the last one I think is the last one I think will be so we have drawn the two straight lines. So first one was that, second one was 2x plus 2y was greater than equals to 12. So 2x plus 2y is greater than equals to 12. So if you simplify, it becomes x by 6 and y by 6 greater than equals to 0. So that's the line. And if you put also 0 0, that will not satisfy the part. So this is away from the origin. So I'm putting the arrow like this. And the third equation was uh, that is 3x plus y is greater than equals to 8. So that means x by 8 by 3 and y by 8. So it is like something like, here it is 8 by 3. So it will be something like this. And this will also away from origin. Hence our feasible region will be this is the feasible region, and we have the boundary point like this, 1 2 3. So if I name the boundary points as A, B, C, and these, let's draw it again. So in that case, it will be easier to understand. So let's draw it a little bit bigger way. So first line was like this. Second line was like this. Not like this. And the third line was like this. So all three are away from origin. So it gives the feasible region. This is the feasible region. So this is one point. So first line was AB, then the second line was CB, and the third line is say E and F, and the intersection points. This is one point. This is another point. Say this is G and H. So our region is an open region, and the open region that we have is this is Y E Y E or Y axis Y, not E is this point, Y E H G B X is the open region, is the feasible region, and the corner points are E, H, G and B. The corner points are E, H, G and B. B point is 10 0. E point is 08. E point is 08, and you find out the point H and G by solving the equations. You can find the point G as 2 comma 4 and H as 1 comma 5, and put those values in the objective function. So objective function was 6x plus 8y. So if you put the values at the point E, the cost at the point E is cost at the point E will be, so we have points E equals to 0 comma 8 point the G I think is 1 5, H was uh, H was 2 4, and B was 10 0, and the costs, so for E the point, for the point E the cost was uh, 80. For the point G the cost is 1 x, that is 6 plus 5, that is 56 I think. For the point H the cost is 6 to the 12 plus 40, that is 52, and sorry, and the point B is 60. So 6 into 10, that is 60. So from where we get the minimum as 52. So finally we can write that the problem as uh, the company, sorry, the housewife should buy 2 kg of food X and 4 kgs of food Y, and the total cost will be 52. The total cost will be 52. So that is the final answer of this question.